Okay, you're gonna see what I saw. This was day before yesterday. This was Wednesday morning. I was getting onto the freeway, and I'll just go ahead and play it. This is off my dash cam, so that's the reason why it's gonna show like this, because I can't transfer the video from my dash cam. But here we go. So this is a wrong way driver that I called into. The date is down there is incorrect. This is actually 2018, so it'd be February 14th, I believe it was. But here comes the wrong way driver on the left. He just comes out of nowhere. There you go. And that's how quick it happens. So I pull over and I call in, and they take the call on.